Thank you so much, Ma'am Criselda A. Madriaga, for that wonderful comment. Thank you so much. Our third question is coming from Sir Justin Red Versola. Sir Justin is a faculty member of the English Department of the College of Arts and Social Sciences. Sir?
Yes, but thank you, Sir Keith. Hello po, Dr.
Hello.
Good evening, all of you. Thank you so much for your presentation. I just wanted to ask, Paul, just to be clear, do you consider yourself as a multilingual even though you are not that literate in one particular language? Because most of the time po kasi, sir, people are thinking that they are multilingual even if they are not literate on that particular language. So I really wanted to clear that thing out.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Before I answer, perhaps some of those who would like to ask questions also can also put them in chat. All right, kung merong mga tanong, please make comments and ask questions sa chat as well. All right. Yes, it's a long. I can give you a long explanation to that, no? Kasi yun na nga ang problema. Multilingual speakers are judged through monolingual lenses. All right. So I hope everyone can listen to me because I'm going to give you an analogy, di ba? An analogy. Halimbawa, let's say it's not my analogy. I borrowed it from someone, so it's not originally mine. All right. Let's say in a track and field competition, di ba? In a track and field competition, merong 100-meter dash. All right. Now, doon sa 100-meter dash na yon, all right, kailangan mo ikaw yung pinakamabilis, di ba? Kailangan mo ikaw yung pinakamabilis. So the skill that you need in a 100-meter dash is a skill of speed. All right? On the other hand, in another contest, halimbawa high jump, di ba? Sa high jump, yung merong bar, and then you actually cross over, halimbawa, di ba? Or whatever it is, cross over. Okay? You need to jump, in other words. Now, ditong sa contest na ito, all right, hindi mo kailangan ikaw yung pinakamabilis. Kailangan ikaw yung pinakamataas to jump over, all right, the bar, all right? Now, so think of these two contests. These two skills are monolingual skills. Mono, one language. So if if you only speak one language, all right? So kailangan mo, let's say halimbawa, itong 100-meter dash, yun ka lang. Di ba? There's another language, nasa high jump man siya, yun lang din yung kailangan niya. All right? Monolingual yun. No? Pero iba kasi tayo. Iba yung mga multilingual. Alright? Ang mga multilingual, let's say, they have a different contest. Let's say, 100-meter hurdles. Di ba? Hurdles. Di ba yung 100 meters na yon, tatakbo ka, tapos meron kang itatalon na mga hurdles. Di ba? Now, for you to be able to be number one, hindi necessarily na ikaw yung pinakamabilis at hindi necessarily na ikaw yung pinakamataas mag-jump, magtumalon. Alright? Ang importante lang doon is you're able to bring those skills together, the skills of jumping and the skills of speed in order to be the best. Alright? So, ang problema kasi, yung hurdles, yung mga tayong nag-hurdle, ginajudge tayo according to, let's say, the criterion na ginagamit. Halimbawa sa 100-meter dash. Talagang talo tayo kasi kung gagamitin mo is yung pinakamabilis na criterion, alright, talo tayo kasi hindi naman yun, hindi tayo yun eh. Yung skills natin, skills ng jumping and skills of speed together. Di ba? The same thing with jumping. Kung i-judge tayo using the yardstick ng kung sinong pinakamataas dun sa jump na yon, Right? Talo na naman tayo. Di ba? Talo na naman tayo kasi yun yung focus ng isang lengguwahe, ng isang multilingual, monolingual speaker eh. Yung umakyat lang, ang tumalon lang. Yun lang yung skill niya. Pero tayo, we bring together different skills in order to function well. All right? So my point here, I think this is a reference to my this is an analogy to your example earlier. Ang problema kasi sa atin, when we're talking about multilingualism, we are using monolingual lenses. All right? Kasi when we're multilingual, we bring all of these languages together. All right? So hindi necessarily na I need to be 100% fluent. I need to be fluent in Tagalog. I need to be fluent in English. I need to be fluent in Ilocano to be able to say that I'm multilingual. All right? Kasi gina-judge nyo, ay, pangit naman yung Ilocano niya. Ay, hindi eh. Kasi nga, in conversations, in natural conversations, all right, I draw on all of these languages to be able to communicate well, to be able to communicate competently. In other words, when you're talking about communicative language, communicative competence among multilingual speakers, iba yung competence nila, di ba? It's really different. So, I think so going back to what I said, you know, you don't need to be sinasabi no na fluent dapat ito 1, 2, 3 kasi nga ang pagtingin natin sa multilingualism ay parang 3 monolingual speakers. Merong isang language dito, merong isang language dito, may isang language dito. But that's not how the brain works. Cognitive science doesn't tell you that. When if you're multilingual, isang pinanggalingan ng paggamit mo, and they're halo-halo yan. Dito, and in fact, there was mentioned earlier in the talk of the president of your president. No, there was reference to how actually multilingualism improves, you know, the brain, you know, the functioning of the brain. So, iba yon, in other words. So, to me, going back to what I said, you're multilingual if you draw on different, you know, languages. It doesn't matter kung sasabihin na ay hindi siya fluent dito sa Ilocano to. Eh kasi nga hindi naman necessarily siya maging fluent the whole time. Hindi naman siya maging fluent dito. The entire education system basically requires that we all speak or think in monolingual lenses. So yun ang kailangan nating buwagin, all right? That when we're multilingual, you know, let's bring together all the cultural resources and the linguistic resources that we have, and that's what we use in order to communicate with other people.